Hey everybody, this is Rob here, and we're talking yet again about another winter weather system moving through the Carolinas. Specifically, we're talking about the coastal Carolinas, which could be getting some pretty significant icing. And we are also going to be talking about the frigidly cold temperatures that the Northeast and the Great Lakes region are going to be experiencing tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get right into the weather. So here we are looking, this is just about kind of midday Friday, which is today. And as the day goes on, you can see a lot of this moisture building up from the Gulf into the Atlantic right here along the coastline of the east. So this goes from probably through Georgia all the way up through possibly Virginia Beach. And as this keeps going on, we can see that the orange, yellowish colors along with the blue, that right there is this is sleet, freezing rain, and then snow on the northern end. So what happens with sleet and freezing rain is basically you have snow that falls, and then in the middle of the atmosphere there's really warm air. That snow then melts, and then in the lowest level of the atmosphere that snow then refreezes back into ice, and then that's how you get sleet and freezing rain created. So as this goes on, you're going to see that it's pretty persistent amounts of both freezing rain and sleet that are occurring in this area, all the way from Augusta, Georgia, maybe possibly up to Virginia Beach, but including the entire coast of both South Carolina and North Carolina. And as we go on through early in the morning Saturday, by the time we hit daybreak Saturday, a majority of this should be going on. So basically, from kind of late afternoon into the evening hours tonight, Friday, into the early morning hours Saturday, we should be expecting some of that icing and a little dusting of snow on top of that to kind of wipe through the coastal edge of the Carolinas. Now, we'll go ahead and look at the total accumulated freezing rain here. And we can see as we go on down here in this range, we're starting to get, about a quarter of an inch in some areas. And these models are not exact, so it's just know that we're going to have some freezing rain. And some of the models are showing a quarter of an inch, some near up to half an inch. So the driving conditions are definitely going to be tricky. And again, this encompasses just about the entirety of the coastal edge of South Carolina and North Carolina. So everybody needs to be really, really careful and really attentive to the road conditions, especially early in the morning Saturday whenever things are just kind of wrapping up and we've finally got all of that out of the way. It's going to be a sloshy, icy mess, so just drive safe. Last thing we're going to talk about today is the blast of cold, which is going to be coming for the Great Lakes region in the Northeast. We can see this is early in the morning tomorrow, Saturday. And we already have a couple temperatures in the negatives up here in New York. And as we go on, we can see some of those temps punch a little bit farther south towards the Great Lakes region. We got single digits here. And I think locally we are going to see colder temperatures. You can see pockets of Ohio seeing negatives. Currently where I'm at, we're expecting pretty much right on zero, so well below freezing and near zero temperatures here. So, and as the day moves on Saturday, the temperatures will start to warm up into Sunday, and that should probably be one of our coldest days of the whole year, if not the coldest day. I don't think that we are really going to have that many opportunities for extreme cold. Beyond that, obviously we're going to keep an eye on it, but yeah, so that's sort of the idea. You can see right here around the lakes, like Buffalo, New York, you're expecting near zero, near Youngstown, Ohio, down through Canton. You guys are probably going to be in the negatives this time earlier Saturday. So that's about all for today, and I know that this is a short one, but there's really not all that much going on. Just if you live anywhere along the coast of the Carolinas, from South Carolina, North Carolina, anywhere from basically Augusta, Georgia, all the way up through Virginia Beach, you should just be aware that your morning commute Saturday will probably be rough. And I know it's a Saturday, so not many people will be around driving, but still, just be aware. The roads are probably going to be tough, especially considering they don't have near the capabilities that the North does to deal with winter weather. So, and that's all I have for you guys today. So please stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.